Dear students, today we are going to learn about exponents and powers, exercise 13.3 sums. Let us see the sums. First question is, write the following numbers in the expanded form. We are given a number, we have to write this number in expanded form. So how can we write it in expanded form? So what we will be doing? First you will see the first digit. First number is 2. You write 2 and then see how many numbers are after 2. You can count the numbers after 2. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers after 2. So we can write it as 2 and then we can put 5 zeros after it. Otherwise, if we want to read this number, how can we read it? If we try to read it, then this number will be 2,79,404. So, in its expanded form, we can write this number as 2 lakh plus. Then we can write 79,000. So, what we will write? First, we will write 70,000. This number we will write and then we will see how many numbers are after this. There are 4 numbers after this. So, you will write 7 and put 4 zeros after it, plus next number is 9 and after 9 there are 3 numbers, so you will put 9 and then put 3 zeros, plus 4 and after 4 there are 2 digits, so you will put 4 and 2 zeros, plus 0. Wherever there is 0, it's not necessary to mention, we can leave it, and last digit is 4. Nothing is after 4, so we will simply write 4. So this is the expanded form of this number. In form of exponents, how can we write it? We can write 2 into. Now how many zeros are after 2? There are 5 zeros, so we can write it as 2 into 10 raised to power 5. Because 10 raised to power 5 means we have 5 zeros. We have 1 lakh. So when we multiply 1 lakh with 2, we will get 2 lakh. Similarly, this number can be written as 7 into 10 raised to power. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. So we will write 10 raised to power 4. Similarly, this can be written as 9 into 10 raised to power 3, since there are 3 zeros, plus this number can be written as 4 into 10 raised to power 2, since there are 2 zeros, plus 4. No zero there, so we will not write anything, we will simply write 4 here. So this is the expanded form of this number, where we have used exponential terms to write its expanded form. So I hope this question is clear to you. Now let us try another sum. Here we have this number. Same way we will proceed. First we will write 3 and then see how many digits are after 3. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 digits after 3. So we will write 3 and then put 6 zeros after 3. Plus next number is 0. So as I told you in previous question also, wherever 0 is there, we can leave those. We need not to write those numbers. So we can write now 6. Then after this 6, there are 3 numbers. So we will put 3 zeros. Plus next we will write 1. After 1, there are 2 numbers. So we will put 2 zeros. Plus next we will write 9. After 9, there is 1 number. So it will become 90 plus 4. In other words, if we try to read this number, how we will read? So we can read it as 30,06,194. So in its expanded form, we can write 30 lakh plus 6,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 4. Now how we can rewrite it? This number 30 lakh can be written as 3 into 10 raised to power, we can count the number of zeros here. There are 6 zeros, so it will become 10 raised to power 6. Similarly, this number can be written as 6 into 10 raised to power 3 plus this number can be written as 1 into 10 raised to power 2 plus this can be written as 9 into, there is only one zero, so 10 raised to power 1 plus this will be simply written as 4. So this is how we can represent this number in the exponential form. So in this first question of this exercise, we have learned how we can write the numbers in their expanded form. Now next we are going to do question number 2. Find the number from each of the following expanded forms. Now we are given expanded forms and we have to find the number. In previous question we were given numbers and we had written their expanded forms. But here we are given expanded form and we have to write the number. So let's write it. Here we are given 8 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 0. So we have to write the number from this expanded form. So we will proceed in the same way but in reverse order. We will follow the reverse order in solving this sum. Now 8 into 10 raised to power 4. It can be written as 8 and 10 raised to power 4 means we can put 4 zeros after 8. Since in the previous sum we have written this type of number in this form 8 into 10 raised to power 4. Now what we will do, we will expand this and we will write it in this form. So the number which we get from here is 80,000. Similarly, 6 into 10 raised to power 3. It can be written as 6 and 10 raised to power 3 means we can put 3 zeros after 6. Next number is 0. So as I told you before also, wherever 0 number is coming, we need not to mention. Next number is 4 into 10 raised to power 1. It can be written as 4 and 10 power 1 means 1 0 we will put. Then plus 5 into 10 raised to power 0. As you know, any number raised to power 0 means 1. So we have to multiply 5 with 1. So we will be getting here 5 ones are 5. Now we can add all these numbers. You can add it on rough side or you can add it in your mind. So on solving this, you will be getting a number 86,045. So on adding these numbers, we get this number. So this is the number which we get from the following expanded form. Understood? Here we are given expanded form. We have formed a number from this. First you form these numbers and then you add them and get the final number. Now let's try another question. Here we have 4 into 10 raised to power 5 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 3, 3 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 2 into 10 raised to power 0. Now how can we write this? 4 into 10 raised to power 5 means we can write 4 and put 5 zeros after it. Plus 5 into 10 raised to power 3 means we can add 3 zeros after this. Plus 3 into 10 raised to power 2 means we can put 2 zeros. Plus 2 into 10 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 means 1. So it will become 2 ones are 2. We can simply write it 2. Now we will add all these numbers and we will get our answer. So it will be, if we add them, you can add them and check. You will get 4,05,300 2. So on solving this, we will get 4,05,302. This is the required number. Okay. So that's all for today. So remaining parts of question 1 and 2 you will try yourself. So I hope today you understood how to write a number in its expanded form and how we can make a number when its expanded form is given. So remaining parts you try yourself. If any doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you.